Okay, we're back and you're still with your Manong June Saliala sigad with Jan Mark Pastor tilang apo kasamitan kan kapigsaan nga radio station dito Interot Cagayan Valley 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago sa rin nagsamit kita iti oras kapagayam 7 minutos kalpasan iti may kadua iti aldaw ket agyaman kami kada iti ganata ket agdingdingag pa lang kada kami ket nagbibuya pa lang kada kami na imbag nga daw tayo amin kasangarod ket dito Facebook Live. Good afternoon ken kakabsat Sonia Castillo Santiago kastamat kini Anivid kunana Arellano Diaz yan ni Esther Antonio Torres and of course, Ninang Avelina is watching together with Niña Gail Antalan Predicala, Angel Drapisa de los Santos, Christina Buda Okawe, watching from Hong Kong. And dagitita dumapay apo nga kapagayam tayo. Gyaman kami kada kayo. Roda, may isang asunata nga mayan nato po kadagiti tao nga kung kadamdamang ay palawag iti ka ipapanan na dating asunata ta kurangan iti panulot ko madit nga ma-rewind nga dagos ngem ko na ditoy karigatan kano nga pasit iti biag na datay mamatpati isuna nga dati ay ayatan na something like that nga rod
So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend inside. I'm hanging on a hope, but I'm alright. I know
stuck on you. Have got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Stuck on you, being a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Guess this time, little harder. I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend. In the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed. Happy Valentine's Day advance. May sabi nga sa nata ko, masagot iti 4 decade daw kada kayo. For one, suwak.
Maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I've waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I apologize for it. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Your mystery. I have traveled the world. There's no other girl like you. No one. What's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and lie awake every day. Don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean
Tangsi nga talaga dahil ito yung katawa.
And don't tell me you need me
Dagita.
if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you.
Dive, iti paulo na dating nga sonata. Kahit awan ti amok ng Ilocano nga mabalin nga Ilocano ko ng mga sarita. Isong iti na panunot ko nga paulo nanto. Nakus pa rin nga tayo ramidak ti Ilocano version na kat suwak.
I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, sitting back, looking at every mess that I'll make. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Before I dive right into you. Before I dive right into you.
May sabi abang sonata?
Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor. Reaching for the phone 'cause I can't find it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quarter after one, I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call but I've lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without, I just need you now.
Another shot of whiskey kept us looking at the door. Kaya wishing you'd come sweeping in the way you did before. Dapat lagi mo na nga sonata.
And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quarter after one, I'm a little drunk and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call but I've lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without, I just need you now. Whoa, whoa. Yes, I'd rather hurt than feel nothing at all. It's a quarter after one, I'm all alone and I need you now.
And I said I wouldn't call, but I'm a little drunk and I need you now.
And I don't know how I can do without, I just need you now.
Pet Malu.